Good morning. I'm Steve Olson, Superintendent of Community High School District 155. I'm standing here this morning at the entrance to Crystal Lake Central to the 1924 original addition to the school. We determined when working through the city of Crystal Lake the need to widen this driveway and allow for additional handicap parking. In addition to that, it's also allowing for our buses to come in through and allow for safe passage as students are coming and going from the school. I'd also like to mention the fact that it is also alleviating some of the traffic congestion that we've seen on both Walkup and Franklin Road out in front here in compliance with what the city is looking for. In addition, I think what you'll find is a much friendlier entrance and egress to the school. So we're excited about it. We're hopeful that the paving and the curbing will be done in the next week to week and a half, given the weather. But I think the community will be pleased with the final outcome.